Today we are in the heart of the Garden District. This is the historic Houston Heights neighborhood right here in a beautiful spot of Dothan, Alabama. So sought after, and this home behind me has so much charm. It has been fully remodeled, and I can't wait to show you everything they've done with it. Come see it. As you enter this home, you will notice everywhere you look, there's been upgrades. The lighting, the floor has been refinished, restored. It is beautiful. Fresh paint. There's 2 fireplaces. And in the kitchen, you've got quartzite countertops that's been flown in from Italy. All the bathrooms have been remodeled and so much more. Come see it with me. This kitchen has been fully remodeled, and you will notice these GE Café appliances everywhere. Warming drawer, freezer, refrigerator, gas cooktop, and look at these beautiful countertops that were flown in from Italy. I love this outdoor entertaining spot. Man, what a beautiful area to relax, have friends over, family, and enjoy. You can build a fire, cook out, eat here, and then they've covered this area as well with a big large screen TV. You've got a mother-in-law guest house right here with its own kitchenette, 2 full bedrooms and bathroom. Come see it. Not only is this home unique, it's basically been remodeled from ground up. So it's got all new windows, HVAC, it's got a tankless water heater, new roof, paint, lighting. They built the carport on the side and one that connects to the mother-in-law guest suite. Man, this home is really special. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this beautiful property right here in the heart of the Garden District in Dothan, Alabama. I'm David Ridley with eXp Realty. I'd love to answer any questions you have. If you're moving here or looking to upgrade, I'm here to help.